Good morning. Here's a Thursday weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Great Falls. The two main weather hazards this week are the fire weather concerns for Friday and possibly into Saturday, then another round of snow to move through the region from late Sunday through Monday night. At this time, neither of these events look significant, but some minor impacts cannot be ruled out. Here's a look at the current snow depth across the region. The image shows that the lower elevations have melted out, generally along the I-15 corridor from the city of Cascade to Shelby, then west or east of that line by about 40 miles. Some lower elevations of southwest Montana have also melted out, particularly around the Helena Valley. This image shows the snow water equivalent across the region. Overall, all the basins are now above normal because of the recent snowfall in early February. Things can change quickly over the next few weeks, though, depending on how wet or dry it is. Even though the mountains have seen above normal snowpack as of recent, some lower elevation locations, particularly along the I-15 corridor from Helena to Shelby, have had some abnormally dry conditions. This area of dry conditions is the area of concern for potential grassland wildfires on Friday and possibly into Saturday. On Friday, when the combination of gusty winds, low humidity, and warmer temperatures, there will be an increased concern for wildfires over the grasslands of north central Montana that have melted out. The image above shows the potential for increased risk across Judith Basin and Fergus counties. However, because these areas still have a snow cover, the risk of grassland fires is actually much lower in this region. Overall, no fire weather highlights are planned for this event at this time, but that could change should temperatures or wind speeds increase a bit. This image shows the peak wind gusts expected on Friday. These wind speeds are much less than the strong wind event that occurred on Saturday, February 1st, but are still strong enough to make it harder to contain any new wildfires that do start. By late Sunday, a cold front will once again approach the region, allowing for the potential periods of light snow to move across the region. Overall, this snow event does not look to be very significant for lower elevations, while a few favored mountain ranges, such as Kings Hill and the Rocky Mountain Front, could see a bit higher snowfall at pass level and above. When you look at the probability of 2 inches or more of snow, generally there is less than a 20% chance of that occurring at lower elevations. Some winter highlights still might be needed for this event, especially for the mountain passes. This map shows the forecast liquid precipitation over the region for the next week. Note some passing snow is possible over the northern plains, but the liquid water content in that snowfall is not expected to be very much at this time. As we look towards late February and early March, much below normal precipitation is now being favored over much of the western United States, including all of Montana. For the most part, we have equal chances for above or below normal temperatures. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time.